Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 892 indicators, with 374 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 92 of the winning indicators. 34 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so in the original testing, this did 9 trades within the 1 year's time with a 66% win rate. And so we did drop this down to a 12-hour time frame, and we did adjust the stop and take profit. We cut it in half. Let me find it here. It's going to be right here. And so this was the adjusted stop and take profit. In the original testing, what we were looking for was the coloration of the bars. And so when the bar coloration turned green, that was a signal to go long. When the bar coloration turned red, that was the signal to go short. That's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it here on the advanced testing. So before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and makes YouTube happy. We want to keep YouTube happy, and so give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please don't give the video a thumbs down even if it doesn't maintain that 60% criteria that we are looking for. Again, we want to keep YouTube happy, and so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and then we will pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. Alright, so that's it for the advanced test there. If you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, and I'll link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. You can just click on that video and go to the source video. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have developed after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies here on the channel. We've back tested it and forward tested it. We're constantly tweaking it, making changes to it, making it better, optimizing it. We are also looking to automate a strategy with it. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. Once we get that done, we'll offer any of our current patrons access to it at a discounted price. And then any of the new patrons after that will also have access, but at a higher price. And so there's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the advanced testing numbers here. So in the advanced testing, we did the 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades. And so that's going to put us at a 54% win rate. And so unfortunately, that is not going to maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so I do think that with a take profit and stop that isn't quite as restricted, you could do a better job with this indicator. I definitely think that it gives some pretty decent signals, kind of catches the trends at pretty good times. And even in the testing, there was moments where it was catching really good trend movement. But on this particular pair, the take profit and stop is relatively tight, and so that causes a tad bit of an issue because it tends to stop out the signals quite quickly unless they just immediately move right in the signal's direction. And so there are times when the trades were getting stopped out where they would have been a winning trade had the take profit and stop not been quite so tight. And so I do think there is some validity behind this indicator. I suggest you throw it on screen and play around with it yourselves and see what you can get out of it. But for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.